How to set up and use GitHub Copilot for free in Visual Studio Code. First, search for Visual Studio Code on your search bar. Click the very first link that appears after you search for it. Then click the download for Windows. After you installed it, open it and select the fourth icon in the left side or known as extensions. Search for GitHub Copilot. And install it. Also click on the GitHub link. Sign in or log in your account in GitHub. Select Feature Preview on the drop-down menu, then enable several feature previews. After that, go back to Visual Studio Code, select Files, then Text Files. Lastly, create the code that you want with the Copilot. Enjoy!